Hi teammates, I'm going to give you a few directions on how to drag and drop during the lesson today about rights and responsibilities. So first, read over what rights you have as a U.S. citizen, like the freedom of speech, religion, press, assembly, the right to petition the government, own weapons, the right to be treated fairly if you're accused of crimes, the right to trial by jury, to vote, and you have many more rights. And then your responsibilities on the right hand side, it's your responsibility to vote, to follow laws, to serve on a jury, to join the military, to protect our country, and to treat everyone with respect. So use this slide 8 as a reference slide while you're working on the other activities. So if we scroll down to slide 11, read the directions at the bottom here. Drag and drop the red puzzle piece to the correct blue puzzle piece to match the example of a citizen's responsibility with the citizen's right. So I'm going to show you an example first. So you have to scroll to the right and you'll see the red puzzle pieces. So the first one is the right to run for office. So you have to choose which blue puzzle piece matches. So I see down here, Gina is running for city council. That's her right to run for office. So I'm just going to drag it and the puzzle pieces should match up, blue and red. So there's one red for every blue puzzle piece. Next, when you get to slide, let's see here. 12, you'll do the same thing, but with the stars. You tell me which is a right, which is a responsibility, and which is both. So joining the military is my first example. That would be a responsibility. Okay, so remember, go back to slide 8 as your reference to help you answer slides 11, 12, and 13. I'm going to do one more example for slide 13. You're going to place each card again under whether it's a right or responsibility, and these are more specific examples. So let's read this one about Jenny. Jenny decided to run for city council to help get the local parks in her community cleaned up. That's a responsibility. Let me see if I can find a right. Maggie went to the courthouse today because she's serving on a jury. That's another responsibility. This one is a right. My dad purchased a gun, but he keeps it locked away. It's his right to own a gun, and he's being responsible by keeping it away. All right, so check back to slide 8 to help you with slides 11, 12, and 13. And you can always message me on GoGuardian or send me a text or email if you're stuck or have questions.